Do you categorize Anubhav as a feminist filmmaker? I do.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Because I spoke to the captain, Devi Sharan.
Yeah.
पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हम जल्द से जल्द अपने घर पहुँच सकें।
He went back and started flying after 4 days of this ordeal.
आर्टिकल 15 जैसी फिल्म में वो सीन करना है जिसमें ये मनोज पावा को अपने बॉस को थप्पड़ मार देते हैं, उसके पहले क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे लोग।
हम लोग निंदा रस में लीन हो जाते हैं। कुछ अभिनेता आपस में बैठ के निंदा करने लगते हैं, उसी कमरे में निंदा हो रही होती है, किसी एक को चुन लेते हैं एक दिन के लिए।
Hi everybody, good afternoon. Hi. Diya, Patralekha, Kumud sir, Vijay, Anubhav. Hi.
Hi.
थैंक यू सो मच मुझे अपना समय देने के लिए। आज मुझे पता है ये जंकेट्स वाले दिन होते हैं जब आप सुबह से लेकर रात तक इन्हीं कपड़ों में इन्हीं कुर्सियों में बैठे रहेंगे और वही सवालों के बार बार जवाब देते रहेंगे। सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई टू मेक दिस पेनलेस।
Thank you.
इज व्हाट आई
मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग
प्रॉमिस्ड।
रहा है मैं न्यूयॉर्क में हूँ?
पता नहीं सर, आई डोंट नो क्यों लग रहा है, आप बताएं।
ऐसा फीलिंग आ रही है।
फीलिंग आ रही है कि आप न्यूयॉर्क में नहीं। वी आर वेरी मच इन बॉम्बे, वी आर वेरी मच इन दिस मॉनसून वेदर ऑफ मुंबई राइट नाउ। सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताएं, डू यू गाइस रिमेंबर आप कहाँ थे जब ये न्यूज़ ब्रेक हुई थी सबसे पहली बार? डू यू रिमेंबर दैट मोमेंट इन योर लाइफ?
Yeah.
बिकॉज़ आई रिमेंबर एंड आई विल टेल यू आफ्टर।
Why don't you start with telling us?
हाँ,
मैं 11 साल की थी आई थिंक उस टाइम, अराउंड दैट एज, अराउंड 10, एंड वन ऑफ माय नेबर्स फैमिली वाज ऑन दैट फ्लाइट in my gully. Not my direct neighbors, but उनकी family. So all of us in our gully in Rohini, Delhi, we were all like, ये इनके उस फ्लाइट में हैं, और जितना भी ब्रॉडकास्ट लाइव जितना भी आता था उस जमाने में हम सब देख रहे थे। And I remember when finally after all those days the flight was rescued and people were brought back and people were meeting, hostages were meeting at the airport. I saw my neighbors. They were there at the airport on
TV पे
camera.
देखा आपने?
हाँ, टीवी पे देखा। वो बड़ी memory है, you know, one of those core memories
Yeah,
from
yeah.
my childhood, because it like, we were all, the whole gully was like talking about this and we were shook. So this memory is very vivid, one of those early memories in my life. So that's my story. कुमुद सर, आपको याद है आप कहाँ थे उस टाइम पे?
नहीं याद है, मतलब मैं मुंबई में था, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से मैं महाडा वनराई के अपने माचिस की डिब्बी में था। महाडा वनराई है, गोरेगांव ईस्ट में एक कॉलोनी है, वहाँ पे था शायद मैं, और जब ये खबर मिली थी तो अब ये मुझे याद नहीं कि उस समय क्या घटा था मन में, पर हाँ मतलब ये उस समय तो पूरे देश में यही खबर छाई हुई थी, तो यार जाहिर है।
No, I don't have any such memories. Also, I was really, really small.
Yeah.
If I really try hard, then it's perhaps something on the TV that we used to have, the bulky one, and some news going on. I mean, that's the hardest thing that I try hard, and that's what I can
That's the
remember.
clearest memory you
Clearest
have of the
memory,
day.
yeah.
Yeah.
It was a defining year in my life. I was in Mumbai. I was living on my own in a PG accommodation in town, and traveling every day back and forth, training for the Miss India. And it was the big new millennium, the year of 2000.
Y2K.
Yeah, the year of the millennium, and there was so much hoopla about this, the 2000 that was arriving.
कंप्यूटर बंद हो जाएंगे,
बहुत सारी
खत्म हो
चीजें
जाएगी,
थी।
दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी, 12 बजे से पहले बिजली बंद कर देना।
हम इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में थे, और आई थिंक द प्रिलिमिनरी राउंड्स ऑफ द कॉन्टेस्ट had started and this hijack happened. And I remember distinctly, क्योंकि हमको we were obviously, you know, encouraged to be in sync with what was happening and know what was happening in the news, and we were shook, all of us, young girls, and because also your sense of, you're away from home, you're away from family, your sense of empathy is heightened, you understand isolation in a very different context, and बार बार ये ख्याल में आता था कि क्या गुजर रही होगी उन लोगों पर जो वहाँ पे है, क्या बीत रही होगी, will they come back home, will they stay, will they be alive, will they be safe. और वैसे भी I think acts of terrorism were not as I hate to use this word, but as common as they've become. And also an act of terrorism in an aircraft was not
new.
something that, you know, I think at least we, our generation, had been exposed to. And it was, these are the recollections I have of the time.
अनुभव आपको याद है?
हाँ मतलब मुझे याद है कि मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है कि I was riding a wave in my career. I was doing music videos. So I was a busy man. I was making money. I was about to make my first film, Tumbin. So I was unfortunately a callous citizen of the country. I knew of it, but I don't have any seriously emotional memories of it. It was an event,
Yeah.
and I'm sorry. I should have felt better, worse. I did not.
This is not an indictment
Yeah, I
of
know.
like you don't remember. How
Yeah,
can you
no,
not
and
remember? It's
also-
just
No, it's okay.
नहीं आजकल तो कुछ भी
trying
होता
to
है
go
ना।
back into nostalgia's sake. What were you doing at that point?
मुझे
in your
मुझे
life?
नहीं लग
I
गया
was-
आपसे कुछ ऐसा डिटेल में याद है।
Yeah, Vijay.
I was gearing up for the Y2K party. I was all of a teenager, and it was a big deal. I think I was wearing something similar to what Salman Khan wore in Judwa, and I wanted to go for this party. I felt like the world is going to come to an end.
Yeah.
31st December को उसके पहले पार्टी करनी है
हाँ.
दोस्तों के साथ वहाँ था. But my father was glued to the television. I
Yeah.
remember first few visuals of seeing the Talibanis with their AK-47s and big guns, and I know my father was like, there's an aircraft with our passengers in it, and
Yeah.
these guys are hovering around that aircraft, and it was scary.
Yeah, I remember that very vividly.
Yeah,
Being
yeah.
like
That image is
terrified.
was
Yeah, that's
So that is the visual stayed with me.
Because वो visual फिर बाद में news में भी आ रहा है, बार बार
Correct.
over and over, newspaper में भी छप रहा है, and
Correct.
you know all of that thing.
फिर हमने भी recreate कर दिया।
And the relief I think we also felt when 31st December arrived, and
And the world.
it was a new year and the world changed.
Yeah.
And I think for people who watch the show, they discover
Yeah.
in how many more ways
Yeah.
the world changed. But I think it was surreal.
And Y2K didn't happen. Our
Yeah.
computers did not crash.
Yeah.
You know, things didn't stop functioning all over the
Yeah.
world. Unfounded
And
fears.
families were reunited. with their
Families were
loved ones.
reunited. Did y'all read the book, all of you, or you read the book and your researchers read the book and you just told your actors what to do? Flight into Fear. पढ़ाई
Yeah,
हमने
the-
सबको.
That particular book was largely about the aircraft.
Hmm.
So it would only concern as characters Vijay
Hmm.
and Patralekha and Aditi. But there is so much more. And then there's so much more research that went on, what was going on in Delhi, what was going on in Amritsar, what was going on in Kandahar, in Kabul, in Dubai, in Lahore, that we all, I shared it all with the actors concerned whenever we were talking about those scenes. But the book per se was not very relevant to all actors. It was relevant to some.
Yeah. Deepu Sebastian, आपके researcher.
हाँ
उनका नाम आता है क्रेडिट में सबसे ऊपर. Because I wanted to see who's done the research for this show. तो देखा मैंने उनका नाम.
जी
वहाँ पे.
और फिर वो जो बाकी की जो रिसर्च है वो पूरी एड्रियन लेवी की है
Hmm.
who's a very big journalist and author and now a filmmaker.
Yes.
And so we sought his help also.
Yeah.
So a whole lot of other details came from him, and he's got documentary evidence for everything that he says.
Yeah.
So that was very exciting to know.
See, so far Netflix has only sent me first 3 episodes, so I haven't really seen where your arc is going. I've seen your like 3 or 4 scenes in the beginning only, but I will come to talking about journalism in a moment like this. And since then, things have changed quite dramatically. You know,
Yeah.
the tussle this editor is having with her reporter about printing the newspaper will not happen anymore on that
Correct.
level because we have already put out a video about the thing. We've already put out a graphic with like, ye hua hijack or ye hua iska naam without checking, without doing anything. Talk to me about approaching this type of journalist that doesn't quite exist anymore.
Interesting you say that, Sucharita, because I've actually a lot of what they're fighting for is what I know a lot of my journalist friends are still fighting for. You know, the integrity. And I think for me, the most interesting aspect of prepping for the part was just speaking with a lot of my friends in journalism who I've known for many years, who were just starting out their careers and were at the cusp of, print turning into TV and the whole 24 news cycle starting. And I'm fortunate enough to have like some really meaningful friendships with some senior journalists
Yeah.
who've been news anchors. And I think that their stories of that experience and also of just being women journalists, because I think that is also a very integral part of what was happening. I think in some ways you take that information, you carry it in your bones.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily something that the script is elaborating on, but when you just have that information, your body carries it with you. And think for the parts that Amrita Puri and I get to play in the story, what's most interesting is that time, that cusp of media and journalism where the country is changing.
That's another parallel layer. That's
Yeah, it
underneath
kind
this
of
whole
is seeded in
event.
beautifully.
Yeah.
I mean, as actors, you're always, you know, you want more. I wish there was more that we could have explored there. But I think the fact that we even went there is interesting enough.
You know, you said in a recent interview, I was watching an interview of yours with BBC, where the journalist asked you, what sort of change, I mean, I'm paraphrasing, what sort of change do you wish to see in our film industry? And you said that one of the things you said was, Ki, we need more feminist filmmakers, and that will help. Do you categorize Anubhav as a feminist filmmaker? I do.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. And it's not on the chin.
Yeah.
And that's what I love most about him.
Yeah.
And I just think that, you know, it's what is feminism? It's about an individual who respects all beings as equal, right? He is one of those people. And
Patralekha, talk to me about working with Anubhav as a feminist filmmaker. I know you don't like tags, Anubhav, but I'm giving you that. So,
sorry.
congratulations. But creating your character and working with him on
No,
your
I was really excited to work with him. You know, he's such a good filmmaker. We have seen all his films. And of course, I heard from a lot of friends, family, like it's a treat to be working with him. So when I got the opportunity, I just jumped at the whole thing of mostly, you know, when you go to shoot something, you need to prep. The director is like, okay, you need to like buck up and let's do reading and let's do all this. With Sir, it was like, ho jayega. And when you end up going there, you are a bit nervous ki kaise hoga. And then suddenly he'll come and murmur something and he'll just leave. And something changes then and there. I don't know. It's the power that he has over his craft. I don't know what it is, but it's something that he does or he says will make so much of a difference. So when I began shooting for this, I was like, okay, cool, we'll do this. But by the time I came out of it, it was very, very tiring, very claustrophobic, and it was also really scary, which I did share with him. It took me about 4 or 5 days to just come out of the whole thing that he took us through. What seemed could be an easy journey, it wasn't. And maybe that's where a good director does to his actors. It's not perhaps what we bring to the table, it's what he's giving us to play with. And it was really such a joy, such a learning experience. And just to have these actors around.
What a cast also,
What
na?
a
You put
cast.
together.
It's-
मतलब कहाँ से आप लोगों को लेकर आए? But when Patralekha is answering, I notice आप agree कर रहे हैं उनसे, आप smile कर रहे हैं. क्या है अनुभव सिन्हा का वो जादू? What is that magic that she's talking about that she's not able to put quite into words about him? क्या खुशफुसाते हैं वो कान में?
ये सब क्या, मतलब इसका कोई एक जवाब तो नहीं हो सकता है. मतलब वो अनुभव सिन्हा है, वही काफी है.
Yeah.
वो वैसे हैं जैसे हैं. या तो वही है. मतलब कैसे डिफाइन करें इस चीज को? हाँ, कोई पर्दा नहीं है, बस
सच है.
या जो हैं वो हैं.
जब आप सेट जब आपके सीन्स हैं जो एयरक्राफ्ट पे नहीं हैं एंड एक्सीलेंट एक्टर्स इन दैट रूम विद यू, पंकज सर एंड दीज अमेजिंग नसीरुद्दीन शाह, इनक्रेडिबल एक्टर्स, उन सीन्स की जब प्रेप होती है, do all these actors then sit together and do like readings and share dialogues with each other?
हाँ, सब लोग थे.
वो कमरा कैसा होता है
अद्भुत
जब आप
है.
प्रेप कर रहे हैं?
हम नेक्स्ट
आग
टाइम
लगी
आपको
होती है।
इनवाइट करेंगे.
How I
ये
would love.
दोबारा होगा नहीं.
Yeah.
ये
हाँ,
I
to
don't
be a
think we
fly
can
on
pull off.
that wall with that cast, that
And we
group
were
of
lucky
men.
enough to.
Arvind Swamy.
We actually just showed up.
Yeah.
Even if we were not in the scene, we just went there
Just
to
to
gawk at
watch,
them.
na?
Just sit there and like,
ये चल क्या रहा है?
How I would, I just met Nasir sir at Cannes, and I had like 10 minutes of chatting time with him, and he's just like, I can't like put words into a sentence when he's looking directly at you. It's so intimidating. So मुझे उस कमरे के बारे में बताएं जो जहाँ पर दिया मिर्जा पहुंच गई देखने के लिए कि चल क्या रहा है. What does that prep room look like?
जू है जू. इसमें अलग अलग जानवरों को एक कमरे में बंद कर दिया गया है और सब अद्भुत हैं.
yeah.
और हर आदमी का अलग प्रोसेस है. कुछ का बहुत इंटरनल है, कुछ का बहुत एक्सटर्नल है. तो आप कुछ के करीब जाते हैं, कुछ से दूर भागते हैं, लेकिन उस कमरे से बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो अपना अपना कोना ढूंढते हैं और बहुत ही कमाल की जगह थी वो. इनफैक्ट वो किसी भी एक्टर के लिए उस कमरे में होना, मुझ जैसे एक्टर के लिए वो असल में बहुत कमाल का अनुभव रहा है. सारे एक्टर्स को देखना, नसीर सर या पंकज सर की बात नहीं है, अरविंद स्वामी, आदित्य श्रीवास्तव, जब आप उनको करते हो देखते हो तो इतना कुछ उनके अंदर घट रहा होता है. और वो मुझे एक अभिनेता के तौर पर जब मैं उनको देख रहा होता हूँ तो मतलब क्या ऐसा हो रहा है जो सिर्फ उनको पता है ना, और वो मुझ तक पहुंच रहा है और वो कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसा ऑब्वियस नहीं कर रहे हैं कि. तो वो ये सारे अभिनेता कमाल के हैं.
What a fun game to play कि वो कुछ कर रहे हैं. And I love आदित्य श्रीवास्तव इतना दिखाई दे रहे हैं आजकल. अभी हसीन दिलरुबा में वो दिखाई दिए, भक्षक में he had such an incredible performance and I really enjoy watching it. I'm so glad that even after CID
वो
he's
बहुत
still
underrated
doing these
actor है.
dramatic roles.
He is fantastic.
Super,
He is fantastic.
super
पता ही नहीं
performer.
चलता सेट पे है क्या कर रहा है.
और फिर
That
आप
moment between Kumud and Aditya when he goes and informs him कि वो प्लेन हाईजैक हो गया है.
हाँ.
उसका एक बिट ट्रेलर में भी है.
हाँ.
तो शॉट लग रहा था, लाइटिंग वाइटिंग हो रही थी, तो मैं आदित्य के पास गया. मैंने कहा क्या सोच रहे हो? तो बोला मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा ये खबर आई है कि प्लेन हाईजैक हो गया. 24 दिसंबर है, कोई पार्टी होगी, कहीं जाना होगा, कुछ करना होगा, कुछ अचानक एवरीथिंग. सो आई सेड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ही फ्रीजेस. तो ऐसा हो गया थोड़ी देर. हाँ ब्लैंक हो जाता है. और उसने इतना अच्छा वो ब्लैंक किया है ना, वो इतना व्यू. जब आप सीरीज में देखेंगे उस मोमेंट को, जब ये जाके उनको बताते हैं, तो वो बहुत बढ़िया मोमेंट है.
Oh God.
मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है वो एक्टर, बहुत
उस
पसंद है.
कमरे में एक बहुत कमाल की चीज़ थी कि आप पूरा दिन वहाँ पे हैं, पूरे दिन वहाँ पे हैं, और किसी का सब्र टूट रहा होता है किसी एक मोमेंट पर, किसी के साथ कुछ घट रहा होता है. एक व्यक्ति था जिसके अंदर कुछ नहीं घट रहा था, जो शांत था. और मैं और मनोज भाई बेचैन हो रहे थे कि ये इतने शांत कैसे हो सकते हैं. कमलजीत
Yes, he's a saint.
सुबह आते थे और ऐसे
स्थिर
रहते
आदमी
थे,
है बहुत.
और मैं बोलता हूँ इनको झकझोरो थोड़ा सा कि यार भूख लगी होगी, प्यास लगी होगी, आप बोर हो रहे होगे. वो अपना सीन कड़क करते हैं और फिर ऐसे शांत बैठ जाते हैं. और हम लोग निंदा रस में लीन हो जाते हैं. कुछ अभिनेता आपस में बैठ के निंदा करने लगते हैं. उसी कमरे में निंदा हो रही होती है. किसी एक को चुन लेते हैं एक दिन के लिए, समय भी तो काटना है. लेकिन कमल जी सर अद्भुत थे. वो शांत आकर के बैठे हैं, इनके चेहरे पे कुछ बेचैनी क्यों नहीं है. हम बेचैन हैं. लेकिन अद्भुत था वो कमरा.
मुझे कुछ मोमेंट्स बड़े कमाल के वहाँ पे कि जब मेरी कुमुद और मनोज हमेशा होते ही है मेरे
मनोज
साथ.
बावा.
तो जब मैं डील कर रहा होता था बाकी लोगों से, तो ये पीछे दोनों दूर खड़े होकर मुझे देख के मुस्कुरा रहे होते. तो मेरी आंख इनके ऊपर जाती थी, मैं आंखें मिलती थी, और ये दोनों बहुत शरारत से मुस्कुराते
ये
थे.
नॉटी बच्चे हैं क्लास
हाँ,
के, बैक बेंचर्स.
ये अलग लेवल के नॉटी लोग.
अच्छा
हैं.
जी.
और ये जो आदमी है
मिलके
ना,
तो नहीं लगता.
नहीं ये तो इसलिए तो एक्टर अच्छा है.
इसलिए तो एक्टर पहुंचे जहाँ पहुंचे हैं. बहुत शरारत करते हैं आप और मनोज बाबा मिलकर अनुभव सिन्हा के सेट्स पर.
बिल्कुल
नहीं.
आर्टिकल 15 जैसी फिल्म में वो सीन करना है जिसमें ये मनोज भावा को अपने बॉस को थप्पड़ मार देते हैं. उसके पहले क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे ये लोग, और मैं गया इन लोगों को देखने, ढूंढते कि हैं कहाँ ये लोग. ये क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, इनको स्लिप डिस्क हुआ पड़ा था. और ये क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे.
तो आप इतने इंटेंस इनसे रोल्स करवाएंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं तो निकालनी पड़ेगी ना अपने, मतलब टू गेट सम जॉय इनटू देयर लाइव्स व्हेन दे डू.
हाँ, तो जो मैं बेसिकली ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो मुझे सारा क्रेडिट मिल जाता है उसको मेरे से कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक.
ये लोग इतने अच्छे हैं. ये आदमी एक कुर्सी में बैठा रहा,
हाँ मुझे वही इनसे
पूरे
पूछना है.
सीरीज में एक कुर्सी में बैठा रहा, और इतना इम्पैक्टफुल परफॉर्मेंस है इसका.
हाँ
इसके सामने कोई एक्टर ही नहीं है. कुर्सी में बैठा है, बेल्ट में बंधा है, घूम भी नहीं सकता. सामने क्या है? कुछ नहीं.
Blue screens.
ब्लू स्क्रीन या ग्रीन स्क्रीन. सो टॉक टू मी अबाउट दैट विजय. वो कन्फाइंड स्पेस में काम करना जिसमें गले पे भी बंदूक रखी हुई है थ्रू आउट द होल थिंग. मतलब नीचे चप्पल उप्पल पहन के बैठे थे आराम से.
I
हाँ, ये
wore
पूरे
the
कपड़े
entire
पहनते
outfit to the
shoes
T.
and everything. Huh?
It was
Yeah.
it was
because you're not visible below this point.
No, but you
In the
have
frame.
I
to.
could have actually, but yeah, but
No,
must
that
boxers पहन के
feeling
बढ़िया.
that you know.
Vibe
when
नहीं आएगी.
I saw him. We were doing a promotional shoot. मेरी बदकिस्मती है कि मैं उनको मतलब I didn't get to shoot with him.
Yeah.
Because it's been my long time dream to work with Vijay.
Vijay, wow.
And I was like finally getting to do something in at least within the same space. But when he walked in to the studio in his uniform, and I was like, wow, because there's something about uniforms
Yeah.
anyway.
Yeah.
But there's something really special about just, I think, I'm sure you'll agree with me, that feeling of even the laces, the way you tie them, the you know,
Yeah.
the stars, the badge, the way
Yeah.
everything kind of sits on you.
The code of
All
the
of us,
uniform,
yeah,
everything,
the
Yeah.
code of the uniform.
But like, tell me about that. Working in that confined space. एक एक्टर यहाँ है, 3 एक्टर पीछे खड़े हैं, गन रखी हुई है. What was the challenge there?
मुझे जितना बांधा जाता है ना, I feel like then the actor or the artist inside me is challenged even further, and I enjoy it even further. It is an exercise that Nasir sir does, where he will pick a Manto story, और वो जो कहानी जैसी लिखी है वैसी की वैसी बोलनी, एक शब्द भी नहीं बदलना है. So you are completely giving respect to the writer, to the word, every word that is written. काका की नहीं कर सकते आप.
इतना भी improvise
एक भी
नहीं कर
नहीं,
सकते.
एक चीज नहीं हटा सकते, और वो कहानी आप पहुंचाओ लोगों तक. So when I started doing that exercise under his influence, I always wanted to work with him. So I was doing backstage briefly for his productions,
अच्छा.
and he wouldn't give me an opportunity on stage because he had too many actors, great actors. But I picked this token from him,
Yeah.
and I started doing it on my own. तो मैंने मंटो की 3-4 कहानियां ऐसे तैयार की थी. तो every time I restricted myself, I found new wings that emerged from you.
Yeah.
एक बार कुछ आप बांध दो ना, कहीं से निकलता है, कुछ नया बन जाता है. So जब भी मौका मिले तो, in fact language, I did a Telugu film, I was struggling. I'm just saying sounds. Acting छोड़ दो, it requires probably the greatest level of concentration that a human being can have in order to say those sounds exactly in that way, and try to find intonation and meaning and emotion in the middle of all that. So it requires great deal of just concentration. So here I think I was practicing my imagination to the I was pushing my imagination as much as I can to feel how it feels to be at 30,000 feet, at 150 feet above Lahore,
Yeah.
just before the landing. And you know, in the middle of all this, ये सब झूठ ही है ना. ना तो प्लेन हिल रहा है,
सामने
ना
green
कुछ हो रहा
screen
है. अब मैं उसको सच कैसे महसूस करूं? मैं सच महसूस करूंगा तो शायद सच दिखेगा. तो वो ही गेम था, बस और कुछ नहीं.
तो उसके लिए जूते पहन के अगर बैठना पड़े 15-16
मैं
घंटे तो
I did
पहनेंगे.
the whole, it was a ritual
Yeah.
with the outfit, and I didn't mess with it at all. In
Yeah.
fact, I wanted to do it as, because I spoke to the captain, Devi Sharan.
Yeah.
I knew how sincere and how disciplined and how dedicated and how sacred this whole affair is for him.
Yeah.
His seat, his outfit. He went back and started flying after 4 days of this ordeal.
Stop.
31st को अगर ये
Oh, wow.
वापस एक तारीख
But
को वापस
at
आया
that
तो-
time, mental health was not even.
No, but
Conversation
no,
भी नहीं आता था
this
वो
was
तो.
actually for mental health. He said I didn't want the fear to get to me.
He called the
Get
office
the
and he
better
said,
of him.
So
Yeah.
he said, "No, I want to go back and want to make it."
But I don't know whether you
He's
felt
still
this.
blind.
When you meet somebody like that who approaches
Their
life
work with that much dedication.
with that kind of dedication and how much it fuels them,
Yeah. Like जूते तो पहन नहीं सकता हूँ मैं सीट पे बैठ के.
But
it
comes-
shows a test. It shows a character.
Yeah.
And I feel I just played that.
Yeah, but it comes through. I remember, the cast announcement had come, and his voice. It starts with his voice making the announcement. मेरे तो रोंगटे खड़े हो गए थे. And every time I heard him make that announcement, I would get goosebumps. It is that honesty that comes through.
What a cast you put together, yaar, Anubhav. Everyone has these like processes of, and must be
India 11.
India 11, correct.
India 11 जो आपको दिख रहे हैं अभी, but ये बहुत बड़ी टीम है.
हाँ.
Must be a joy for you also, not to work with actors who take their work so seriously.
Your joy to begin with, but then there's so much talent in the room always that you're also slightly burdened by the possibility of leaving out some, and you don't want to.
So you feel like you want to be fair to
You
all
have
the actors. you
not
have.
only fair to the scene. Now you have such adept tools at your disposal.
Yeah.
And if you don't do it right, you're wasting them. So that was a bit of a pressure, but which
Yeah.
never came from the actors.
Yeah.
But that was something
they're
that I was
responsible.
fighting.
Yeah.
That I should juice it all.
Yeah.
I may never get this opportunity again. Because it's not, I don't think it's easy to put it together again.
मेरा बस ये मैं भी दिया मिर्जा की तरह घुस जाऊं इन कमरों में कोने में पीछे कुमुद मिश्रा के साथ खड़े होकर पीछे हंसती रहूं देख देख
हाँ, वो मैं-
कैसे कर रहे हैं वो और एक तरफ मनोज बाबा एक तरफ कुमुद
I
और
want
मैं
to
देखूं
keep
पूरा
the entire making of it
You must.
just as
यू मस्ट
इन्होंने मुझे पिच ही ऐसे किया था.
कि ये एक्टर है
नहीं, हाँ, बोला था कि एक बना रहा हूँ, ये एक्टर्स हैं, नाम
हाँ.
गिना है, मैं धीरे अपनी सीट में मैं धंसता गया कि इतने मत बता
What?
दो, और एक रोल है, इतने लोग हैं सब, मतलब कुछ होगा करने के लिए, कह रहे हैं हाँ शायद कुछ है उसका, शायद हीरो कह सकते हैं, नहीं भी कह सकते, शायद कुछ बन सकता है, बन जाएगा. आई एम लाइक सर आप पिच कर रहे हो या
dissuade कर रहे हो.
मैं
डरा
करूं
रहे
या
हो.
ना करूं.
हाँ.
आपको बोला है कि नेटफ्लिक्स ने कि इसको बुला के एक बार आप कर देना पिच,
हाँ.
और आपका मन नहीं है, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना.
मैं मूछ में अच्छे लग रहे हैं बड़े बड़े बिलबोर्ड्स लग रहे हैं पूरे शहर में
Thank you so
ऐसे
much.
खूबसूरत बीच में भेजे और इधर सारे एक्टर्स इट्स अमेजिंग बट वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू नो यू आर आल्सो इन अ कन्फाइंड स्पेस राइट द एयर स्टूवर्डेसेस आर आल्सो सॉर्ट ऑफ
Yeah.
कभी मोमेंट से वो काट रोक रहे हैं पैरों से काट रोक रहे हैं इधर वेरी वेरी टाइनी aisles talk to me about approaching that I know I have to wrap it up now but I just want to talk to you also about working in that confined space जब you're also running around but you also can't
Yeah.
वो set क्या था could they move the walls and all to make more space
no,
for
I
actors
don't think so.
No.
We could move the seats. Of course, it was really claustrophobic.
Yeah.
And we were about like 100 of us, including the juniors.
all the artists
And-
everyone
Yeah, and I just feel like the cameraman also had it really tough for to move
Yeah.
around.
इतनी कुर्सी
And at some point in Mumbai, we were shooting during the rains. And somebody I feel like got some kind of viral. I'm not saying it's COVID. And we all were down.
सब बीमार
But we all showed up with
Yeah.
101 temperature. And suddenly the toilets are leaking. And you feel like they're leaking. And
wait the
it's
toilets in the set or
not like in the
aircraft.
scene
Oh.
where
on the
it's,
aircraft
on the
yeah, I was
aircraft
like,
where it's
why were
supposed
the
to leak.
toilets leaking on set
No,
on the aircraft
no,
yes,
on
yes,
the
yes.
aircraft, and it's leaking. And for some weird reason, okay, you know, it's not real. But suddenly Sir says, okay, now you can smell it. And now it's just overloading. And there's an actor who's stuck inside the toilet. And it was just really claustrophobic.
Yeah.
And there was no space.
Yeah.
And there's space, but there's no space. So I guess he just made it really tough for all of us inside the flight.
tough part to play anyway man thank you so much for chatting with me today आज मुझे अंदेशा दे रहे हैं कि हो गया आपका समय खत्म कभी किसी और दिन बैठ के आराम से I would love to have longer chats about longer things in life है ना है ना
Pleasure.
हाँ,
कभी मौका मिलेगा तो मैं जरूर I'll love to do
करेंगे. I'll
this
beat you in Cannes.
I just met Nasir Saab at Cannes and he said this is the first time he's come to Cannes
Yeah, he told
he'd
me.
never been to Cannes until 2024 unreal. I was like, Vijay Verma has been here many times. What are you saying? Never did. Thank you guys. I'm done. Can I request a photo with everybody? If that's okay.
Show up, huh?